Back on the main home screen, you'll see options like mobile video, Instagram post, social media, and more. Below that are options such as see what's new and recent designs. At the bottom navigation, you would see home. It returns to the main screen. Projects stores your saved projects and folders. Blue plus lets you start a custom design. Templates opens pre-made templates and categories. Pro shows updates and pro only features. Now that you know how to navigate all the main menus and settings in Canva Mobile, it's time to dive even deeper. The real magic happens when you start designing. Since the bottom layer of design tools is packed with powerful features, from adding text and images to fine tuning, layouts, and animations, we'll cover those in our next section. Let's move on to a hands on demo where we'll explore every option in the bottom toolbar, show step by step adjustments, and create both static and video designs together. Get ready, we'll break down each creative tool in action so you can design confidently no matter what project you start.